The single-eye safety directing things on the back end for the Patriots. The Eagles go empty. 2 receivers wide, including Goddard, who's been quiet today. 3 receivers wide to the left from the 27. Snap to Hurts. He's going to run through the left side. A gaping hole, and he's through. It's loose. The Patriots have it. A fumble recovery at the 41.
What are you doing?
Yeah, let's go! My boy! You're savage, bro. Go off.
Turn on the bright lights. Let's start the show. We're in the big time. Everybody, let's go.
What's up, man? Hey, Laura. How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing, man? Good. Congratulations.
Oh, thank
Congratulations.
you. Thank you so much.
You and the Patriots. 1 year, but it's a damn good one.
First one of the year, fellas! First one!
Be the most physical team. The rest take care of itself. 7, 8, 3, 1, 2, 3. Be
110% you.
Takes the snap. Piece of pressure by Judon, who gets to the quarterback for the sack at the 15. Jones takes the snap. 4-man rush. Throw to the near side. Ball flutters off the hands of Bourne. Picked off. Slay runs it along the near side past the 50. Across the 40. Cut right past Jones. Jones pumps a fake toward Jones and then drops it off for Ezekiel Elliott, who fumbles as he maneuvers across the 25. The Eagles seemingly recover.
Play the time. Do your job. No one needs to do anything special. No one.
Jones takes the snap. He's pressured. Throws it left corner of the end zone. Caught by Henry. Touchdown, Patriots! He takes the snap. He stands in. He stands in. He fires toward the end zone. Touchdown, Patriots! A laser by Jones to Kendrick Bourne.
One thing I am sure of, and that will never change, is that I am a Patriot for life.
And the kick is good. Karam's through. It's good on the bounce. Kick is lifted to the uprights, right down the middle.
Be practicing all summer long. Sorry, Rob. All summer long. We're ready for this, all right?
Max Stetson throws to the end zone. Caught by Bourne. His second touchdown of the day.
Hey, couple different situations. Hey, let's go. Couple different situations here depending on what happens, right? Let's talk about it as we go.
From the 27, snap to Hurts. He's going to run through the left side. A gaping hole, and he's through. The ball falls loose. The Patriots have it. A fumble recovery at the 41. Stands in, slides right, moves up, throws it right. Henry there, he can't make the catch through his hands. They come up short, 25-20.